Hi and welcome to this week's Thumping for the Weekend. I'm Tony, sales manager here at Martin Lynch & Sons, and the more observant of you will probably tell that I'm not in the office again. That's right, I'm here, nice clear water, lapping up against the shore, the sun is shining, I'm in a pair of shorts even. I'll tell you what, it's going to be a lovely day today. Hold on a minute. No, don't worry, Martin hasn't sent me to the Caribbean. I'm actually in the UK and about to do a de-expedition, a rare operation, some might say, right here in the UK. It's going to be fun, that's for sure. There's a few of us here and we're going to get on the airwaves, see if we can create a pile-up, and we're also going to show you what you need to do if you want to operate a little bit of a de-expedition. Right, come on Dave, let's get on with it. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. Where are we actually operating from? Well, we're operating from the packing shed. And to tell you a little bit more about the packing shed, we've got Kevin, 2E0WMG. Do you want to tell us a little bit more about the packing shed?
Okay, yeah, welcome. So this is the packing shed, which is a restored Oyster packing shed. It's now run by trustees. It's a charitable trust, which I'm one of the trustees for it. Restored it, and we hold it open days, cream tea open days throughout the year, and also private events. And I operate out here quite a lot, so I'm very privileged.
Yeah, I was going to say you've actually got a YouTube channel, I believe, as well,
yeah.
and I've watched a few of you.
It's ham radio and kayaking with 2E0WMG. Yeah.
And it's very good. I watched one last night before I came, to be honest with you. I mean, as for a building, beautiful.
Yeah, it's special.
Yeah, it is special. Very period inside. I mean, we'll see inside in a little while. Guys have set up the station now to be operating. Kevin actually brought us in on the boat. If you turn around.
So we've got two of these launches, and they were originally purchased with grants, because they've got a drop-down ramp, so they're accessible. So on our cream tea open days, we even bring people out here in wheelchairs.
Brilliant.
And we hold 6 of the open days every year.
Is there a website? Is it all on this website when it comes for the open days? And
packing-shed.org.uk, and we've also got a Facebook page. Just look for the packing shed, and you should find us.
Okay.
And you can read about a lot of the history of the packing shed, and some old photographs of the old oyster pits here. Are on the and the history of the shed are all on the website.
Can we go and have a look at the oyster pits from here? Is that all right? We can walk across. Yeah.
So what they used to do with the pits here, they'd dredge the oysters from the oyster beds, and then they'd put them along what were pits here, and then the tide would come in, and it would wash them clean, and then they'd transport the oysters off by barge up to London, and also sort of further afield over to the continent.
Been here over winter and stuff, is it a dramatic change?
Yeah, I mean, I actually came out here and operated on Christmas Day last year, but I can't, because we take the boats out of the water at the end of the season, so I paddle out here, come out here quite a lot to operate, and then I stay overnight sometimes as well. Yeah. But the shed is available if you want to come out and operate from here. So we do private rentals, weddings, bar mitzvahs, you name
Anything you need.
Yeah, I actually had my wedding reception over here as well.
Lovely,
so,
lovely. Yeah, so we're on a little bit of a time limit today. Yeah, I believe, because of the tides and the way the tides work. Yeah. But we're going to get on there. We're going to see what we can work today, and come and meet the rest of the bunch as well. Well, thanks a lot, Kevin.
Okay,
really appreciate
thank you. Welcome.
Hello everybody, David here, and look where we are. Absolutely beautiful. It looks like I'm on the front of a boat, but as Tony explained earlier on, we're actually at the packing shed, and this is the back part of the shed. So I'm going to walk you through the shed, show you a few bits and pieces on where we are today. So I'm just going to switch the camera around. There we go. So this is the back or the front, depending on how you want to see it, of the packing shed. And as you can see, the tide's coming in, and we're completely cut off on some of the other bits of the little island that we were on. So here we go. So you can see Harley operating from the window there. We're on 20 meters at the moment. This is the kitchen area, which is lovely. Sometimes on a really, really high tide, this can actually get flooded. So you'll actually get water on the inside, which is a bit scary. But I have checked with Kevin, and we're not going to be flooded today. Lots of interesting pictures about the history of this particular island and how they used to get all the oysters and whatnot, put them in the middle of the island, and then the water would come in and wash them. This is our setup. So we got Harley here operating, 2 Echo 1 Delta Oscar Golf. We're using a FTX 710. We're logging using Station Master, and we've got a few cameras dotted about the place as the guys are going to go live a little bit later on and have some fun. And this is the back or the front. There we go. And as you can see from Tony's video earlier, where the tides come in, and hopefully it won't get too high and we won't get wet feet. And there we are. This is Golf Bravo 0, Papa Mike India. Calling CQ, over. Again? Oh, that's an easy copy of 5 and 9, 5 and 9, little bit of QSB there. My name's David, over.
Yeah, sorry, was that me? Fox 4, Victor Papa Lima.
Yeah, Fox 4, Victor Papa Lima, all received. You're about 5 and 9. 5 and 9, and the name's David, over.
Yeah, sorry, there's another station there also. Yeah, Golf Bravo 0, Papa Mike India, Fox 4, Victor Papa Lima. Very good afternoon, David. Also, David, there's a lot of us about. And you're 5 and 9, lovely signal into southern Brittany. And I've got your page up on here. I can see you on the packing shed. Netball VPL.
Yeah, all received. Well, firstly, congratulations on probably having the best name in the world. And you're also a lovely signal into the packing shed here. There's a few of us having a little bit of fun on the island there. The working conditions is an FT 710, and we're running a little long wire up at about 20 foot there, over.
Yeah, okay, we're certainly working well. I'm using the Icon 7600 into the Expert 1.3. I'm running the first 50 watts, also into a long wire that's 266 foot long. It runs from the shack and North Upper Garden. So that's the setup. Lovely day here. The sun's not out, but the temperature is 36. It's crazy. Netball VPL.
Yeah, well, the sun's out here. The sun's shining. It's beautiful. And it can't be bad. Nice and warm and playing a little bit of radio. You couldn't ask for much more. Well, thank you ever so much for the call there, David. And it's great to get you in the log. And certainly we'll work you further down. But for now, take care, and 73.
Yeah, 73 regards to everyone else is helping you out there. Au revoir.
All the best. This is GB0, Papa Mike India, QRZ.
Mike 0, Victor Papa India.
The Mike?
Yeah, Mike 0, Tango Delta Bravo. Yourself?
All received. Mike 0, Tango Delta Bravo. Thanks for the call. My name's David, over.
Yeah, copy David. You're 5 and 9. The name here is Derek, and the QTH is Douglas, over.
Yeah, all received. Thank you for the 5 and 9. You're also 5 and 9 into the packing shed. We're down near Mersea, over.
Yeah, I was listening there earlier on. I just wondered, maybe, could you give me an audio report? Is the audio any good, or is it pretty poor?
The audio, it sounds a little bit off frequency to me. What I would do is get a few more reports and then go from there. It's very punchy, but for me and my ears, it's a wee bit off frequency. But I can understand every word, over.
Yeah, okay, thanks for that. Yeah, I'm just thinking an old radio here, it's an old Icon, it's a 740, so it's pretty poor. Just try to wire mics and that for it. But, okay, I'll not hold it. I know there are a lot of people try to get you there. I'll say 7-3, and thanks for coming back to the call.
You're welcome. Thank you ever so much. Have a great day. This is GB0, Papa Mike India, QRZ. Golf Whiskey 3, go ahead.
Golf Whiskey 3, Whiskey Bravo United. Hello David, how are you doing? Her name is Brian and the is pronounced 5 miles southwest of Cardiff. Go ahead.
Yeah, all received there, Brian. We were an easy 5 and 8 for us today down at the packing shed. No bother at all. And there's just a few of us down here operating from the little island and playing a little bit of radio. But you're an easy 5758, over?
Yeah, Roger that, David. That's fine. Yeah, you're a good signal. You're definitely on the line with me. Okay, then, just so I give you a quick call. There are people calling, so I'll duck out and leave you to it. Have a good time. Golf Whiskey 3, Whiskey Bravo, yes, it's clear. Cheerio, David.
Cheerio, take care. This is Golf Bravo 0, Papa Mike India, QRZ. Victor Golf. Yeah, the station ended in Victor Golf.
Yeah, thank you, David. Mike 0, Oscar Victor Golf, the name's Stuart. How you doing, mate?
I thought I recognised that. How you doing, buddy? So good to hear your voice. Easy 5 and 9 into the packing shed today, over.
You're 5 and 9 also down here. North Bowders Lee just outside Southampton, the new QTH. We're stuck in the shed at the moment, giving you about 900 watts into the air. Back to you.
Oh, I'm so happy for you, and I hope you and family are well there, Stuart, and we'll have to catch up very soon. But there's lots calling, so we'll have to catch up, though. So you take care. All the best to family, over.
Yep, all the best there, Dave. Have a good one. Hello to everybody else there with you. 7-3 from Southampton.
Cheers, thanks, Stuart. GB0, Papa Mike India, QRZ. 2 Echo 0, go ahead. 2E0 Mike.
Yeah, 2 Echo 0, Mike November Germany, David, over.
Ah, thank you very much. 2 Echo 0, Mike November Germany. Neil, my name's David, over.
Yeah, QSL David, you're 5 and 7, solid 57 with me. I think you've got the details, and I've got yours, buddy, over.
Ah, thank you very much. You're an easy 5 and 8, over.
Yeah, many thanks, David. I'll leave you to your devices. Enjoy the WX. And, of course, thanks for putting the station. GB0 PMI 2E0 MNG. Thanks, buddy.
All the best. Bye-bye. This is Golf Bravo 0, Papa Mike India, QRZ.
Tango Golf Oscar.
Mike India, Oscar, Tango, Mike India 0, Tango Golf Oscar. Go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, David. we got the call sign eventually. Bit of a mouthful. Yeah, the name's Brian, near Belfast. You're 5 and 9 with me. Very strong signal, David, over.
Oh, thank you for the 5 and 9. You're 5-8 to 5-9 into the packing shed, over.
Have the internet. I heard you saying this packing shed. Just give me a location and nearest town, please, David, over.
Yeah, sure. You want to look at Mersea, and literally it's like a little slither of land that we're sat on, and just having a little bit of fun playing radio, over.
Right, okay. Fine on the GB0, the special event. Nice to hear the call on the air. Enjoy the activation. 7-3 from Northern Ireland. Bye-bye.
All the best, sir. Bye-bye. This is GB0, Papa Mike India, QRZ.
Charlie Yankee over. Mexico?
Yeah, the Charlie Yankee, go ahead.
Yeah, it's Golf 0, Tango, Charlie Yankee. QSL?
QSL, Golf 0, Tango, Charlie Yankee. Thanks for coming back to the call. My name's David, over.
Yeah, okay, David. My name's Mick, Mike India Charlie Kilo, and I'm situated in Bolton, which is about 12 miles northwest of Manchester, David. QSL?
Yeah, all received. You're an easy copy to us into the packing shed today. 5-8 to 5-9, over.
Yeah, thanks for the 5-8-5-9. You're 5-8-5-9 this way as well, David. I will keep it, plenty calling. Golf Bravo 0, Papa Mike India, from Golf 0, Tango Charlie Yankee. 7-3, David, and good luck, yeah?
All the best. Bye-bye, QRZ. 2 Whiskey 1, Hotel Alpha Whiskey. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's 2 Whiskey 1, Hotel Ocean Whiskey, HOW. You're 5-9 into Cardiff, yourself.
Ah, thank you for the correction. You're 5-9 plus. 5-9 plus of the packing shed today, over.
Okay, QSL there, David. Thanks ever so much. And I found you on Google Maps. HI. Cheers, David.
Take care, bye-bye. This is GB's.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this brief insight into the activation here at Packing Shed.
It's been good fun.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
It's been good fun. And sort of some kind of tips that you can kind of take from this, how easy it was to have a special event station there. Obviously, we've had a bit of help from the other guys here as well. Key kind of thing which has really worked is the special event call sign, which we've mentioned before.
Get yourself a call sign via the old Ofcom website. That works.
Yep, really easy to do. As long as I think you need
instant, get it there and then.
Exactly, just online basically. Put your details in. Fingers crossed they've got the right suffix for you.
That's it.
But yeah,
and then choose your radio. Make sure you got a nice power source. LiFePo 4 batteries we're using today, and they've worked all day.
Yeah, I mean that 710's worked a treat.
Yeah. You can't go wrong.
And that's for that 50 amp battery.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty good, right?
It's quite amazing how long that actually lasts, and then sort of being off grid, as you can see here. We've
absolutely
not got that many mod cons really, have we?
No mod cons, but we've had an absolute blast. The guys are still going. They're live streaming now.
Yeah.
And it's been good. It's been good.
Yep. So as we said at the start of the video, you don't need to spend thousands of pounds to do some sort of rare activation. You can do it within the UK. Obviously, give the Packing Shed just a call.
Yeah.
Access it via email. We've put their web address up for you.
Yeah.
And if you can make a donation to them, then that would be great as well.
Be perfect.
And I've got to say big thanks to Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin's been an absolute star today, looking after us. Even ferried us back for some food as well, because we run out of food, and that's not a good thing.
You can imagine us on a rare D expedition. Not good. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you very, very soon.
Catch you later. Bye bye.
Take care. Bye bye.